Hello again, my loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel. We are going to create a mixed media background today. That's my Sunday special lately. I do have a whole bunch that are done and I love them. I cannot wait to, you know what? That's what I just realized. I cannot wait. I created this one and I accidentally deleted the video, but it's for a different layout. Just realized that I put it in my backgrounds. Okay, so we're gonna do purple. So we have got some Dina Wakley gloss spray in blackberry, and we're just gonna go for it. Some of them are gonna spray, some of them are not. That does not spray, so moving on. Distress Oxide in Villainous Potion. Oh, this is just a fabulous way to start, isn't it? Okay, 2 down. Surface Spray by Brutus Monroe. Anybody else have this trouble? I don't use them for spraying. I use them for splattering. All right, Dusty Concord Distress Spray Stain. This should spray, as thought. When there's mica in it, you guys, it doesn't spray. It's just going to be that way. Wilted Violet. And Nuvo Mica Mist. This is definitely, oh my goodness gracious. I honestly did not think this was spraying. I mean, it's not spraying all that well, but goodness. I really want, I don't know why this one's not spraying. Let's see if we mix it up a little more if it sprays. Whoa. It's very, very purpley. Let's come back in with this stuff. Oh man, see? Just like that. It was spraying all nice and then, oh well. Okay, that was fun for a minute. You guys seen it sprayed. Alright, let's see if we can get this one to spray now. Yep, there we go. Okay. So we'll use, so now I'm gonna just kind of let it, we've got a lot on here. Let it mix. And run off the page onto my paper towels. Don't want to sit it up too far because then it will fall down. I don't want to fall down on me. So we're just going to let it run. Right, so I'm just going to keep adding at the top. So as you can see, it's going to become somewhat of an ombre, which will be fun, and then just drain down through the rest. So, whoa. And this is how Becky ends up purple. I'm using quite a bit to let that run. And then, nope. It's just not gonna do it no more. It said you had your chance, lady, and you blew it. Which is okay, because we are just going to lightly pour. That was a lot. Okay. So it's going to give it a different marbled effect. Then we'll let it run. And we can bring it back down here. Let it soak up some of the okay, and then we're going to let it run back down here, to which it will soak into all that, but I want it to be streaking it down. That is just really cool. Alright, so we've got that going, so now we're going to take some of the gloss spray in Blackberry and do splatters, because that sucker didn't want to spray. And you see how it's given such a cool feathering. We definitely want to get in the places where so cool. And let's do the surface spray, which is, what is this color called? Whoa! Oh! That I did not mean to do that, you guys. Almost dropped it, so we're just going to let that run. And it's alright, so accidents happen, totally fine. Only me would drop the whole thing. So we're just going to let it fall again. So we're going to have this dark streak through there, which actually I kind of like. Unplanned, but loving every minute of it there. Oh my goodness! Stop! That scared me. Stop it. Oh my goodness. Sorry about that. Alright, so one more time we're going to add this in there to see we can, yep, it's going to do the same thing. And then it just kind of goes where it needs to go. Alright, we are going to let that dry, but really, really cool. So you will see me use this on a layout coming up soon. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me and having a panic attack as I spilt this bottle. I will see you later. Bye.